What up, what up? What's going on? Another day, another day. Ooh, what we got here? Ooh. What we got here is the Senderado. Yeah. Decided to sell the Maxima. If you wanted to focus, that'd be cool. Didn't want to mob the Maxima anymore. I needed a truck, something with a bed. So I decided to purchase this. My plans for this is, I mean, I'm not making any promises because I know I just keep selling and buying stuff. My plan is to make this into a burnout truck, just like a whatever budget build, fun burnout truck. So I want to cam it, eventually turbo it, super budget build, like not a whole lot of power, low boost, maybe like 450 wheel, that'd be cool. I want to make this thing look stupid in the back, like sag this thing down. In the front, maybe I'll put like, well, right now it has a 4-inch lift kit on it. I don't want a lift kit, so I'll probably do like -2 in the rear, +2 in the front. I don't know, so it just looks dumb. I'm just trying to have fun, and I know you guys would like to see something budget-wise other than the Evo and the truck, since those are just super expensive. So we'll see where this one goes. No promises. Who knows if someone comes and picks it up? Someone comes and picks it up. Super clean truck. Paint's super nice. Body's straight. So we'll see how this one goes. All right, this camera sucks. So there you go. Budget build. 2-inch drop shackle kit. We're gonna take out the block that's already there. We got shorter U-bolt because mine are way too long because of the lift kit, and some shocks. Let's get to it. Alright, so first I'm probably going to lift up the back of this truck, take out those, or loosen up these U-bolts, take out that block, and yeah, we'll do that first. Probably take out the shocks too. We'll put it on time lapse because ain't nobody want to watch me in real time do that, so let's get to it. Now that the blocks are out, oh, by the way, zoom out here. Super nice when you guys have one of these jacks and you obviously have a lift, because you can use the lift to bring up and down the truck and not just be spending 5 minutes spinning that thing. Just a tip, makes it 10 times easier. But now it's time to replace those with the 2-inch drop. So that'll be a 2-inch drop. So that's 4 from what it was. So let's get started on that. We'll also do that in a time lapse. Finally got those shackles in. Just gonna tighten everything up and it should be good to go. All right. It's subtle, but the back did get dropped 4 inches. So that's actually quite a bit, but I don't know if the camera really does it justice, but that was definitely leveled, and the back was probably a little bit higher before. So we're gonna drop down the front probably 2 inches, and I don't know. Once I see notch the rear, then we'll bring that down probably another 2 to 3 inches. So it's like a 5-inch drop total. But that's it for today, guys. Okay, so I guess this isn't the end of the video. I don't like how the truck looks on stocks. And I think I'm just gonna go pull the plug and go get myself some 22s, just 22 by 9s. So I know it'll tuck inside my fender. If I want like crazy fitment, I guess I'll either space it out or go get some new rims later on. But these are probably gonna get pretty beat up because I'm probably gonna do a whole bunch of burnouts and stuff. So yeah, not sure if I'm gonna get like chrome or black. Probably black, because that's gonna be like the theme of the truck, I think. Just like black and this like tan or champagne or whatever you want to call it. So we'll see which ones I end up getting. And I already have brand new tires at the shop. So yeah, I got new rims. Back there. Yeah, let's get back to the shop and go mount these things. Hopefully the truck will look a little better. I only have low pros at the shop, so it's still gonna be a good fender gap, but like I said, I still have to lower the rest of the truck. I think I'm gonna pick up the lowering spindles or stock spindles today, so maybe when I get back from a vacation, I can start actually lowering the truck to where it actually looks decent. So let's get over to the shop. All right. Way better. Like I said, the front still needs to come down a little bit. The back needs to go down a little bit. But I need clearance because I'm gonna be doing a whole lot of burnouts and stuff. I'm not trying to either bottom out or nail fenders or nothing, but it looks way better. All right, guys, that'll be all. Ooh, I need to do a conversion for my brakes too. Don't mind my fingers, I know they're bleeding. All right, guys, have a good one. Till next time.